Hello students, welcome back. So this activity, you just watched Jamie Oliver's cooking video on YouTube about making homemade quesadillas. I'm going to explain some of the words and phrases you heard in the video. So let's look together. So first, we're going to review some common cooking terms. This means you will hear and see these words in many cooking videos. So quickly, let's look. We have dice, grill, grate, and slice. So dice, grill, grate, and slice. So now let's look at the words and phrases you heard in the video. In the very beginning, he says, it is like Mexican cheese on toast. So Mexican cheese on toast, it's literally the Mexican version, the Mexican style of cheese on toast. So this is the British version of American grilled cheese. So we all know what grilled cheese is. It's the Mexican version. So throughout the whole video, we hear two words, veg and veggie. Veg and veggie are just short ways of saying vegetables. In the UK, they tend to say veg more than veggie. And in America, we tend to say veggie. So if you hear somebody saying veg or veggie, they just mean vegetables. So one example of this is when he says, this is a brilliant way to get veggies in the kids. So that means veggies, vegetables, inside of the kids, which is to get kids to eat vegetables. So veggies in the kids means get the kids to eat vegetables. We also hear him say equivalent. Equivalent means equal to, the same as, or similar. So an example, one stick is equivalent to 2 cups. This means one stick is equal to 2 cups. One stick is the same as 2 cups. We had a saying in the video, the heart of the filling. When we say the heart of the filling, or the heart of anything, we mean the main part, the most important part. So think about your heart, right? It is center, it is important, it is what keeps you alive. So the cheese is the heart of the filling, or the cheese is the most important part of the filling. So heart, most important. He also said the cheese is the glue of the filling. So that means, right, glue is sticky, it holds things together. So the cheese is sticky and will hold everything together. It's going to glue everything together. This next word is a really, really fun word. Ooziness, or ooze, means to seep through, right? To go through something slowly. Think of slime. Slime is oozy. So the cheese is oozing from the quesadilla. It's going through it slowly. Super fun word. So the phrase knocked out or knock out has two meanings. The first is if you are fighting somebody and you knock them out, they pass out, right? They go black. But another meaning for knock out or knocked out is to do something quickly. So if we say, I just knocked out a couple of salads in the back, he doesn't mean fighting salad in the back. He means he made them quickly. If we say, I just need to knock out a few emails and then I'll be done, it means I need to send out some emails quickly. Just knock them out. Do them quick. Be done. So knock out means to do quickly. Whack on is another phrase that is kind of fun. It means to turn on. So whack means to hit or try or attempt. So whack, if you whack somebody, it means you hit them. But whack on means to turn it on. So he says, now I can whack on this gas. Like just kind of quickly, just turn it on. Don't do it slowly, just bloop, and he's done. So if you couldn't tell from the video and his accent, he is British, right? He has an accent and he says some things that maybe us Americans wouldn't say. But I think it's important to know and understand what these words and sayings are. So I asked some of my British friends and they explained some of these, so I will explain them to you. He says a word, pips. So pips means the small seeds, right? The small seeds in fruits or in vegetables or in anything. The small seeds. So when he says squeeze out the pips, he means squeeze out all of the little seeds. I really liked this word. It was wodge. Wodge. So not wedge, right? Wedge with an E. No, a wodge. And my friends explained to me that a wodge is like a squishy or a soft wedge. So if you think about soft cheese or butter, right? You could have a wodge of soft cheese or a wodge of butter. The next word is unctuous. So he said unctuous filling. So unctuous filling means greasy filling or oily filling. All right, so that is all for the explanation of words and phrases. Now that you know what some of these words and phrases mean, it is time to answer some questions. So I have 3 questions for you to complete. You should answer the 3 questions and upload your answers.